Ever wondered what makes Moonriver a standout in the vast crypto universe? Let's take a journey into the world of cryptocurrencies, where innovation and technology meet to shape the future of finance. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security, have revolutionized the way we perceive and handle money. They operate independently of a central bank, offering a new level of freedom and control over one's financial assets. At the heart of these digital currencies is the blockchain, a technology that is as groundbreaking as it is complex. It's a type of distributed ledger, a decentralized system where all transactions are recorded and verified by a network of computers or nodes. This eliminates the need for a central authority, making transactions transparent, secure, and immutable. Blockchain technology is the backbone of the crypto universe, providing the foundation for thousands of digital currencies. Among these, Moonriver shines brightly with a unique proposition. Moonriver is not just another cryptocurrency trying to make a name for itself in this vast universe. It's part of the Polkadot ecosystem, a multi-chain platform that allows diverse blockchains to interoperate, sharing information and functionality. Moonriver serves as a companion network to Moonbeam, providing a permanently incentivized canary network. In simpler terms, Moonriver is a playground for developers, a place to test and optimize their decentralized applications before launching them on Moonbeam's Polkadot network. It's an ecosystem that encourages innovation and experimentation, providing the tools and resources needed to foster growth in the blockchain sphere. Moonriver, therefore, is more than a crypto coin. It's a vital part of a larger ecosystem, a bridge between the world of Ethereum and Polkadot, allowing developers to deploy existing Ethereum dApps with minimal changes. This is what sets Moonriver apart. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but about enhancing and expanding the crypto universe, about making blockchain technology more accessible and efficient. Moonriver isn't just another crypto coin, it's an ecosystem revolutionizing the blockchain sphere. So, what exactly is Moonriver and why is it making waves in the crypto market? Well, let's dive right into it. Moonriver is no ordinary crypto project. It's a companion network, or a canary network if you will, to Moonbeam, and functions as a developer's playground. It's kind of like a sandbox where developers can test and experiment with their applications before launching them on Moonbeam, which is part of the Polkadot network. Now, you might be wondering, what's the deal with all these names? Well, let me put it into perspective. Think of Polkadot as a bustling city, and Moonbeam as a skyscraper within that city. Moonriver then becomes a blueprint or a model of that skyscraper, where architects can test their designs before building the actual thing. But there's more to Moonriver than just being a testing ground. It's a fully functional, Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform. What does that mean? It means you can write and execute computer programs or smart contracts on Moonriver just as you would on Ethereum. And here's where it gets really interesting. Moonriver enhances interoperability across networks. It's like a translator that lets various crypto projects built on different blockchains communicate with each other. Imagine you're at an international conference where everyone speaks a different language. It would be chaos, right? But if there was a translator who could understand and speak all those languages, everyone could communicate seamlessly. That's the role Moonriver plays in the crypto world. And the best part is, this functionality is not just theoretical. Moonriver is live on the Kusama network, Polkadot's wild cousin, and it's already making a difference by bridging the gap between different blockchain communities. Moonriver then is a bridge, a facilitator, making the crypto world more interconnected and efficient. So, whether you're a developer looking to test your applications, or a crypto enthusiast eager to explore new projects, Moonriver has something to offer. It's not just a coin, it's a game changer. But what makes Moonriver unique? What sets it apart? Well, first off, let's talk about compatibility. Moonriver is designed to be fully compatible with existing Ethereum frameworks. You can think of it as a mirror to Ethereum, reflecting its capabilities while also adding some unique twists. This means that developers familiar with Ethereum can easily transition to Moonriver, taking advantage of its unique features without having to learn an entirely new language or system. The ease of use is a major plus point, especially in a field where complexity can often become a barrier. But it's not just about compatibility. Moonriver also offers robust security. Built on the Kusama network, it benefits from the security of an established and tested network. This is crucial in the world of crypto, where security breaches can lead to significant losses. So, while you're exploring the vast crypto universe, you can rest assured that Moonriver has got your back. Now here's something that really seals the deal. Moonriver is community-driven. This means that its users, the community members, have a say in its development and direction. They can propose changes, vote on implementations, and more. It's not just about what a handful of developers decide. It's about what the community wants and needs. This democratic approach brings a whole new level of engagement and ownership to the users. And let's not forget how Moonriver is designed to be scalable and adaptable. It's not a stagnant entity, it evolves with the needs of its users and the broader crypto environment. This adaptability is key in a rapidly changing field like crypto, where being able to meet new challenges and seize new opportunities is crucial. Moonriver's unique features position it as a game changer in the crypto landscape. This isn't just another crypto coin. It's a platform that's empowering users, developers, and the wider community to shape the future of crypto. It's a unique blend of compatibility, security, community-driven development, and adaptability. And that's what sets Moonriver apart. Alright, so we understand what Moonriver is and what it offers, but where does it stand in the crypto market? Moonriver is not just another coin in an ocean of crypto assets. It's a rising star, a potential game changer in the crypto universe. As of now, it's making waves and steadily climbing the ranks, thanks to its unique features and robust technology. Like every other asset in the crypto market, Moonriver's performance has seen ebbs and flows. However, its overall trajectory has been on an upward trend, showing resilience and potential for growth. It's a testament to the fact that Moonriver is not just about immediate returns, but about long-term value creation. The strength of Moonriver lies in its partnerships and collaborations. It has joined forces with some of the most innovative projects in the crypto space, enhancing its reach and influence. These alliances have not only brought significant growth, but also added to its credibility, making it a reliable player in the market. Moonriver's collaboration with Polkadot, for instance, has been a game changer. The interoperability feature offered by Polkadot enables Moonriver to connect with other blockchain networks. This has opened up a world of opportunities, allowing Moonriver to expand its ecosystem and offer a seamless experience to its users. Moreover, Moonriver's community-driven approach sets it apart in the crypto market. It's not just about a handful of developers making all the decisions. The Moonriver community has a say in the project's governance, contributing to its development and growth. This democratic approach has fostered a sense of ownership among the users, making them more invested in the project's success. In the volatile world of cryptocurrency, Moonriver has managed to carve out a niche for itself. Its commitment to delivering robust technology, fostering partnerships, and involving the community in its journey has earned it a noteworthy position in the crypto market. Moonriver's market position is a testament to its robust technology and community-driven approach. To wrap things up, let's summarize what we've learned about Moonriver. Moonriver, as we've discovered, is not just another coin in the crypto field. It's an expansive, interoperable, and robust smart contract platform. A parachain on the Polkadot network, Moonriver serves as a bridge between the Ethereum blockchain and the Polkadot ecosystem, allowing for seamless integration of Ethereum-based projects into the Polkadot world. This interoperability is a game changer, opening up a world of possibilities for developers and users alike. We also touched on the unique features that set Moonriver apart. Its architecture, for starters, is designed to be both scalable and flexible. With Moonriver, developers can create and deploy Ethereum-compatible smart contracts using familiar tools and languages, all while benefiting from the security, scalability, and interoperability of the Polkadot network. The MOVR token, Moonriver's native cryptocurrency, plays a critical role in the ecosystem. It's used for transaction fees, protocol governance, and staking. This multifunctionality of the MOVR token adds to Moonriver's allure, providing a way for users to participate actively in the ecosystem's growth and development. And let's not forget Moonriver's position in the crypto market. Despite being relatively new to the scene, Moonriver has quickly made a name for itself. Its unique proposition, coupled with the growing interest in the Polkadot ecosystem, has positioned Moonriver as a promising player in the crypto universe. Its potential for growth and its role in fostering innovation cannot be understated. But as always, remember that the world of cryptocurrency is volatile and unpredictable. While Moonriver presents exciting opportunities, it's important to do your own research and make informed decisions. Moonriver, a shining star in the crypto universe, is more than a coin. It's a catalyst for change and innovation in the blockchain ecosystem. With its unique features and promising position in the market, Moonriver is definitely a project to keep an eye on.